Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to 3D zoom effect in Capcut. So first, you just need to open your Capcut app on your mobile, and here you just need to tap on the plus icon, which is the new project button. Now here are the sample photos that we're going to use. Now all you need to do right here is tap on the first photo and tap on the style icon right here at the bottom. And here go to motion tab and choose the 3D Zoom Pro. So once you tap on that, just need to wait until it generates on the photo. Now I just need to do this onto the next picture. So on the next picture, again, tap on motion, then tap on 3D Zoom Pro. So again, just need to wait for the generating image. Now on the third image, we're gonna again tap on that, and then we just need to tap on the style button. And here, basically, as you can see on your screen, it will now start to generate this photo that we made. Now, if you want to add some additional transitions on your video or photo, you just need to tap on the icon between those photos, and basically it will show you all the transitions that are available to use to your presentation. So for example, I want to use this fade black, and here, if you want to apply to all, you just need to tap on apply to all button right here at the bottom left. And now here is the result. So that's how you basically use the 3D zoom effect in CapCut. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.